In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Shein account using a Chrome browser on your laptop or PC. Whether you're ready to shop for the latest fashion trends or you just want to check your order status, logging in is your first step. Let's guide you through the process from start to finish, ensuring that everything is clear and simple. First, you'll want to open the Chrome browser on your laptop or PC. Chrome is a great choice because it's fast, secure, and user-friendly, making your browsing experience smooth and reliable. If Chrome isn't already your default browser, no worries. Just go to your applications list or desktop and click on the Google Chrome icon to open it up. Next, in the address bar at the top of the browser, type in the URL for the Shein website. It's as simple as typing Shein's website address and hitting the enter key. In just a moment, the Shein homepage should load up right before your eyes, presenting you with a splash of fashion-forward styles and exciting offers. Now take a look at the top right corner of the Shein homepage. You'll notice a few options there. Find the one that says either sign in or log in and click on it. This is your portal to access all the personalized features the Shein site has to offer, from wish lists to order histories. Once you click that button, it's time to enter your credentials. You should see prompts for your email or phone number and your password. Carefully type your registered email address or the phone number linked to your account in the first box. Double check for any typos, as even a small error can prevent you from logging in successfully. In the next field, enter your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure your caps lock is off and everything matches exactly as you set it. After you've input your email or phone number and password, you're ready to log in. Simply click on the sign in button beneath your entered details. The system will take a few moments to verify your information, and then you should be successfully logged into your account. If this doesn't happen on the first try, don't worry. Double check your login details for accuracy and try again. And just like that, you're now logged into your Shein account on your Chrome browser. From here, you can start shopping, manage your orders, or explore Shein's trendy collections. If you encounter issues or have forgotten your password, look for options like Forgot Password to guide you through recovery steps. We hope this walkthrough was helpful and that it gets you exploring the world of Shein with ease. Enjoy your shopping.